Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the iPad model and the highest iOS it supports, because that limits your options. Once done, backup. iCloud or a Finder/iTunes backup protects data if something fails. Make sure the device is charged to at least 80% and connected to stable Wi-Fi. Use an official cable so the transfer won't drop. Now go to Settings, General, Software Update, and check for updates. This starts the process and shows compatibility or required space. If an update appears, tap Download and Install and let it run while the iPad stays plugged in and on Wi-Fi. This avoids interrupted installs. If no further iOS is offered, sign into your Apple ID and update compatible apps, clearing cache and freeing storage so apps run better. Alternatively, use Finder or iTunes. Make a backup, then choose Restore to reinstall a compatible OS image. This is useful for stubborn issues, but remember it erases the device. So once installation completes, verify the iOS version in Settings, then restore data from the backup if you performed a restore. If the iPad gets stuck or keeps restarting, perform a force restart. Use Home plus Power on older models or the volume and power sequence on newer ones to clear temporary faults. If the update fails repeatedly, try a different computer and cable and reattempt. If problems persist, schedule Apple support or an appointment at Apple Store. They can diagnose hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.